this video I'm going to be showing you how to build this drone, a race drone which can do freestyle and acro. Yeah, pretty much we'll go through it step by step and build the whole thing from scratch, and the programming and some tips what I've learned along the way. Enjoy. It's a 250mm frame. That's, well, start off, I'll show you some of the bits. That's the plates for the frame, the top plate, the arms, motor guards, which I would definitely get, some standoffs, which you'll need them, all the nuts and bolts, the metal standoffs, a battery, and the FPV camera, the beeper, some heat shrinks. I got a tub somewhere, but it's just finding them. Right, we've got the motors, and then props, which I've got to take them off. Programming, we've got ESCs, which I've already attached. I've got the power distributor, it's in there. It's basically the ESC wires attached to it, distributes the power all through the drone, and different voltages. We've got VCC, which the battery is full power, and then all the ESC ports are VCC. That one's VCC, and then I've got like a 12 volt and a 6 volt underneath there as well, so to power like FPV camera and the receiver. And that's about it. That's wiring for my FPV side. You need straps. That's the flight controller. It's a Yixin F3. But, it's supposed to be like a really neat one. Instead of having all pinouts, it's just got a little one clip. But it's not very neat really, like, it's turned out quite messy. So, right, but that's the flight controller. And then we've got the receiver, which if you haven't got a controller, it comes with one normally, or you can they're pretty cheap anyway. You can get all different types. And then we've got your FPV transmitter then, which transmits the FPV. So, and then you're going to need a charger, which I'd get a decent-ish charger. It charges a battery pretty quick. I'll show you some of the tools now what you'll need. Right, basic tools. Got a load of little screwdrivers, electrical screwdriver, all these little cheap screwdrivers which are normally crap, they come in handy for the drones. Some wire snips, a pair of big pliers, some tweezers for soldering, super glue always comes in handy, thread lock glue for putting all the motors on and all like the standoffs, flux for soldering, I've just got it in a tub, solder, a Stanley blade or a Stanley knife. I use a blade, it's easier. 10mm to take the motor bolts off, double-sided foam tape for mounting stuff. I use hot glue quite a lot when I'm out, like fixing it. If it breaks something when I'm out, I can use hot glue to hold it in place. A soldering iron, Allen keys, you need a decent set of Allen keys, and a solder sucker just to remove any old solder. So that's pretty much nearly all the tools you need. If I think of anything else, I'll add it in the description anyway.